Maybe I'll just call the warranty, they'll pay for it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how to install an ice machine. This ice machine was working perfectly fine until one day the temperature reached approximately 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it started spraying water everywhere. It's still in warranty. Obviously, you can tell some care was put into this installation. See, they put heat tape on the water line so it wouldn't freeze. Nothing but the best. Here we have the water inlet valve. You see the way that's moving? You guessed it. She froze and split in half. Well, in case you hadn't guessed it, warranty's not going to cover this one. See how there's not a door on this room? This ice machine's just exposed to the elements. Ice machines are for indoor use only.